Igbo ndị ọma, ekene m unu. Enwere m ajụjụ. Anytime I go out with Demoma Ezenwa Nisofia, I'm always waiting for Ezenwa if we go out. And me, I'm a woman. I have to do my makeup. I have to do everything. I even had time to paint my nails today. But this man still made me wait for him. See, I'm inside car. And I'm a chair. I think it's an Igbo thing, but I'm not sure. What is your opinion? Because this thing, we've been married now how many years? He never changed. Chief is always late. Chief is always taking time to get ready. Yadiba, let's wait for him. Hey, he's flexing. Oh, he's cleaning even his glasses while walking. Chief. Chief, are you ready?
Always ready.
See, everything is shining. Ezenwa is shining. Chief.
Sun shining.
So once we started moving, I confronted him.
The issue here is that you normally go out with the kids.
There's no kids. Sonso Muma now.
Okay, Sonso Muma. Okay, Ibopro. Can you go up for it?
Yes, I have to rush out.
So now you can make your sure okay because I am running. So now you're just staying there with his siblings. So I want to make sure that to give them out where they should take good care of him.
But that's not why you're wasting time.
That's what they make me not to come. Be waiting for me, but what the reason why? There is a groom.
Yeah, there is always a reason. Mom.
You know?
You have to make also.
Yeah, we may also if maybe things will
nothing will spoil.
In order, things will really go the other way around. Because kids, you need to check them all the time. Give them advice on how to do things.
How are you?
This is ready for me.
Chief.
Anyway, it's your phone. Only my favorite a phone.
Are you not taking time to get ready?
Not really, not all the time.
You're fast.
Because my clothes are just in the wardrobe.
Please stop the arguments.
My name is You always portray me as if I'm late. Even a Kuba waiting for Ezenwa.
Waiting for Ezenwa, true.
Yeah, but for a reason.
No reason, no.
The reason you back, how do you say that? To check the background check, double check, to make sure that everything is
checking
okay.
His shoes. We are here now.
There was no point in furthering our argument. We came out to have fun.
Achtung, don't hit the tram, Chief.
We were already in downtown Zurich.
We are entering Ogorogozo. Ogorogozo in Zurich. That is the street where things are happening.
Yes, Las Vegas.
Las Vegas. Yeah, there's no sleeping here. Anyway, there's not much people now, but there's always somebody on the move here. You can eat, you can drink, you can have to go. The other thing, everything you want, you get it here.
Yes, no nature. Apart from sand, it's only sand you will not get here.
Sand?
Yeah.
No sand. Watch. Yes. Oh.
I was tired already, but that didn't stop us from having a good time. We went to a club that was pretty much empty this time of day, but we enjoyed having it for ourselves. We even danced a little. And that is how the evening ended. Waiting for Ezenwa is well worth the while.